Okay. This next track, this is for all you guys out there who write to me comments like, now I have spent my entire day tracking down tracks because of you. If you don't stop making videos, I can't stop tracking down more songs. Yes, this is a problem we all have in the digital age when all of a sudden everything became available to us. I know the Napster craze like flipped me out. And actually, Mike Doughty used the Napster craze to get his solo debut going because he sold so many copies of it after Soul Coughing broke up. Usually he was just selling it on the, on the tour out of like a suitcase, and people uploaded it onto Napster, and Napster took off. He writes about Napster on the album cover, actually. So, anyway, this is a song about our obsession on trying to catch up with all these songs, trying to accumulate them all. This is called Collapse from Irresistible Bliss.
New-level manager says he heard about some mulatto girl shot him in the mouth and left him in a hotel near the Mid-South offices. He worked in distribution, regional vice president. Collapse, unload it, pop, I must accumulate. Unload it, pop, I must accumulate. Unload it, pop, I must accumulate. Well, the soil is rich, competition fat, rotten vulnerable, losing from the slats, and to catch every blow down, you're sitting there all puckered up. Index of numbers is scrolling up, screen scrolling up. Collapse, unload it, and bop, I must accumulate. Unload it, and bop, I must accumulate. Unload it, and bop, I must accumulate. Collapse, unload it, and bop, I must accumulate. Unload it, and bop, I must accumulate. Unload it, and bop, I must accumulate.
Sample, possibly.
Cut it out and break it down. Liquid assets are seeping down now. Seeping down now. Seeping down now. Seeping down now. Collapse. Unload it. Pop, must accumulate. Unload it. Pop, must accumulate. Unload it. Pop, must accumulate. Unload it, pop, must accumulate. Unload it, pop, must accumulate. Unload it, pop, must accumulate. Pop, must accumulate. Pop, must accumulate. Pop, must accumulate.
Yeah, nice funky one too. What else? Soul Coughing uses a stand-up bass, by the way.
Everything is going up. Everything is going as planned, yeah. Everything moves along. Everything is fine. Well, I could be condemned to hell for every sin but littering. Well, I could slip on East River and crash into Queens on Skid Row. I've seen the cops and the robbers, and I know they dance the same well. I've seen a half a zillion girls and haven't single one of them. Everything is going on. Everything is going as planned, yeah. Everything moves along. Everything is fine, fine, fine. Batting in the light. My reptile little eyes. And all the strong end to end.
And all this strung end to end is wider than the mind. I've been playing, I have been playing too long, and my capacities are dwindling, so they're gone, 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 and I said, everything is going on. Everything is going as planned, yeah. Everything moves along. Everything is fine, fine, fine. Baby, can I change my mind? I just wanna change my mind. Baby, can I change my mind? I just wanna change my mind. Everything's going on. If you don't get the reference,
Everything is going as planned, yeah.
see this little guy?
Everything moves.
There he is again.
Everything is fine, fine, fine.
I have the same birthday as Douglas Adams. I'm proud to say.
Everything is fine, fine, fine. Everything is fine, fine, fine. Everything is fine, fine, fine. 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 Fine, fine, fine.